Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where to find your wallet address on the FTX wallet app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the FTX wallet, then go to the news section, and at the news section on the top right corner you will find this settings icon. If you tap on it, it's going to open up the news section and also another settings icon. And when you tap on it, you will have to tap on the profile menu, which is the first one on this list. And when you tap on it, it's going to show you your wallet address. It says token and this long chain of numbers and letters. And you can also write it down if you want, but you can also tap on copy and it's going to copy it to clipboard, so you can start right away sending it to anywhere, so you can start trading. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.